friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to discuss some technical details about the engine and its more important components. In the summer season, we are very much curious with the air conditioning system only. So this episode is on the air conditioning system. To start with, we need to know the crucial components like the compressor belt. First of all, it is getting energy from the engine and transferring it to the compressor system. So it plays very important role during the air conditioning system unit operations. The most important thing is the compressor clutch. Now here we have a clutch system which engages or disengages the compressor system from the belt. Therefore, whenever you are pressing the AC on button, the clutch engages the compressor with compressor belt and make the cooling system effective. In case you are pressing the AC off button, the clutch automatically disengages and the compressor will not get any rotational energy from the engine. And the most important part, that is the coolant compressor system. Please note, this is the quick episode regarding the operation of the AC system with the belt. So we are covering this full range of how the compressor operates in the next upcoming episodes. If you are curious about the cooling system, please click on this link. It's time to start the car and check the actual operations of the compressor system. Please note, right now the clutch is disengaged and the compressor belt and the compressor is off. As soon as you start the AC, the clutch engages automatically, and now you have a running compressor system with the active AC. You also find that the noise is coming from the radiator fan itself. There is the temperature sensor available, and in case the radiator temperature is higher, then the fan switches on automatically. As you can clearly see, there are two fans and two radiators for engine as well as air conditioning system. So both fans switched on automatically as per the temperature. Please see the clutch operation carefully. By switching it off, it disengages, and by switching it on once again, the clutch engages. And whenever AC is off, you will find that the radiator fan also switches off if not necessary. So this was the quick video regarding the air conditioning system. Hope you all like this video. In case you need more information, kindly comment below. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from Smart Drive. Please don't forget to subscribe.